Are you an SMB owner feeling like your social media efforts disappear into the digital noise? You're putting in the work and creating content, but the results and the actual ROI feel out of reach. It's time to change that. Social media is constantly evolving. Understanding the current trends and challenges is key. Authenticity now trumps strict brand voice. AI is no longer just for big companies. It's a powerful tool that can level the playing field for you. Social commerce is turning feeds into direct sales channels. Data privacy is more important than ever. Building trust through transparency is a competitive advantage. However, limited budgets and proving ROI remain common hurdles. Think of AI as an affordable team member. It can significantly boost your efficiency. AI helps with content creation, from writing captions to generating images. It can also manage scheduling and analyze data. This frees up your time and allows for more data-driven decisions. AI makes sophisticated strategies accessible. Influencer marketing isn't just for huge brands. SMBs can thrive by partnering with micro and nano influencers. They have smaller but highly engaged audiences. These influencers are seen as more authentic and trustworthy. Their recommendations feel like advice from a friend. This leads to higher conversion rates. They are also much more cost-effective. Many will collaborate for products or smaller fees. This delivers a better return on your investment. Social commerce platforms let customers buy directly within the app. This removes friction from the buying process. It captures impulse purchases instantly. Platforms like TikTok Shop, Instagram Shopping, and Facebook Shops offer this capability. Choose the one that best fits your audience and products. Make your content shoppable. Use live shopping events and user-generated content. Run targeted ads to your shop. Offer exclusive deals to encourage in-app purchases. Strategic budgeting is crucial for success. Don't just spend, allocate wisely. The 70-20-10 rule is a great framework. Allocate 70% to proven strategies that consistently work. This is your foundation. Put 20% towards experimenting with new platforms or content formats. Reserve 10% for bold, innovative ideas. These are high-risk but potentially high-reward projects. This approach balances stability with growth. Your community is a valuable asset you own. Engage actively to build loyalty and gather feedback. Respond to comments and participate in discussions. For local businesses, optimize your Google Business Profile. Use GBP posts for updates and offers. Answer questions in the Q&A section. Handle negative feedback publicly and empathetically. Move resolution to private messages. This shows you care and builds trust. Paid ads expand your reach beyond your organic audience. Don't spread a small budget too thin. Choose one platform that aligns with your audience. Start with a small test budget on that platform. Perfect your campaigns there first. Track key metrics like cost per lead and ROAS. Retargeting is your highest ROI tactic. Show ads to people who have already visited your site. This leverages existing interest for higher conversions. Your social media channels work best together. Organic content builds trust and community. Paid ads amplify your message and reach. Boost your best-performing organic posts with a small budget. Paid campaigns can also help grow your organic following. They fuel each other. Build trust through transparent data practices. Share authentic content. Foster genuine community engagement. This creates a sustainable growth engine. Stop feeling lost on social media. By being strategic and integrated, you can turn your platforms into powerful growth tools. Focus on value and authenticity. Embrace AI for efficiency. Partner with micro-influencers. Set up social commerce. Budget smartly with 70-20-10. Build a real community. Be precise with paid ads. Prioritize trust above all else. Start implementing these tactics today, and watch your social media go from a digital void to a thriving business asset. To learn more about social media marketing for SMBs, visit our education portal at imagebuildingmedia.com.